Hi everybody, Stephanie Tarr with the Morrison team at RETSY, here at our newest Forbes Global property, 3712 East Highland. Wait till you see the finishes on this one. They are to die for. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Heaven on Highland, High Place Investment's latest construction development. The floor plan, design elements, and quality construction are pure perfection. The open concept kitchen flows into the spacious living room with views to the backyard, soaring ceilings with wood beam detailing, custom wet bar, and gorgeous fireplace as the room's centerpiece. The primary suite is spacious with high ceilings, mountain views, elevated modern finishes in the bathroom, a large walk-in closet, and attached flex space perfect for an office or home gym. The guest bedrooms are all a generous size with beautiful ensuite baths. Other features of the home include a laundry room, drop zone, 3-car garage, Sierra Pacific windows and doors, and custom iron and glass double door entry. The backyard rivals the interior with a custom pool, hot tub, and gas fire pit with ample grass space. If you want more information on how to make this home yours, send me a direct message, or you can always find more information on my website, stephanietarr.com.